Hey everyone, welcome back! In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to create an image link on Google Sites. Yeah, the simple trick that lets someone click a picture and jump straight to any web page you want. It's really easy once you know where everything is, so let's get into it. First off, go ahead and open your Google site or create a new one. If you're new to sites, just hit the blank template and it'll load right up. All right, once your page is open, look on the right side and choose the Insert tab. Then click the image option and upload whatever picture you want. You can also pull one from Drive, totally up to you. Now here's the part a lot of people miss. Click on the image once. You'll see a small toolbar pop up right under it, and yeah, that's where the magic happens. In that toolbar, tap the little chain link icon. A box shows up where you can paste the web page address. Type or paste the link, hit apply, and boom, your image is now clickable. Before you finish, go ahead and preview the page just to make sure the image really sends you to the right place. If everything looks good, hit publish in the top right corner. Your visitors can now click that image like a regular button, and that's all you need to create an image link on Google Sites. Super quick, super clean. If this helped you out, feel free to subscribe for more easy tutorials, and I'll catch you in the next one.